Alright, saving your Photoshop document as a JPEG, fairly simple. If you go into File and you hit Save As, one thing you're going to notice is JPEG just does not exist here on your computer. So if you go to Save on your computer and look, there is no JPEG here, and this is going to lose you in a lot of situations. Instead, it's under Export. If you don't see it under Save As, it's under Export, Export As. That's where JPEG lives. So I'm going to look up here at the top right. I'm going to see there's an option for JPEG right here. I can bump my quality up to high. I can check my pixel sizes. Here's my scale, depending on what you need to do. And then I'm going to hit Export. Here's where it's going to pop up where you want to save it. Make sure you're saving to your desktop. Make sure you name it correctly. Now, it's important to understand that the JPEG is going to come out looking like whatever's on your screen, right? So if I don't want it to look like this, if I want my JPEG to be this, then I have to have that open first before I take it. So whatever is visible is what that JPEG is going to look like. So if I were to go and look, there's my JPEG right there on my desktop. So that's your creation of a JPEG.